Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick Edmonton. Today we are going to check out the 2026 GMC Canyon Elevation, which comes in a sterling metallic grey exterior and a jet black interior. Under the hood, it has a 2.7-litre Turbomax engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It has many cool features like remote start, heated front seats, cruise control, 2-inch factory lift, and much more. Come with me as we take a look inside. Starting with the front interior, we get this beautiful jet black trim. On the top of the door panel are the door lock and lock buttons, power mirror and power window controls. At the bottom are the speakers, some storage space on the side. On the inside is the interior lighting controls and the trailer brake controller. Now we can have a full look at these beautiful cloth seats. At the bottom are the power seat controls with lumbar adjustments. Now let's have a look from the inside. On the left of the steering wheel are the cruise control settings. On the right we have some directional controls. Coming to the entertainment screen, we have tons of apps here. We can connect our phones using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. We can also access the camera or listen to audio using AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth and some more options. We also get Google Maps to help us navigate around the city. At the bottom are some climate control buttons with heated front seat buttons on both the sides, followed by the climate vents, two charging outlets, gearbox, electronic parking brake, dual cup holders, and underneath the armrest we get some more storage space. We can also lift this up for some more storage space underneath. Moving outside, this 2026 GMC Canyon Elevation comes in a sterling metallic grey exterior. In the front we get the GMC logo on a blacked out grille. On the sides are the LED headlamps. This vehicle comes with 18-inch wheels. You also get blacked out side mirror covers with blind spot sensors on the front, paint matched door handles with buttons for keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we get side steps at the rear bumper on both the sides. GMC Canyon and Elevation written in chrome. Let's have a look at the cargo storage space. As we can see inside, we have plenty of storage space. We also get two corner tie downs on each side, also in the front, and a power outlet in the back of the trunk. Finally, moving to the rear interior, we get the same trim. On the top of the door panel are the power window controls. At the bottom are the speakers, some storage space on the side behind the front seat. We get some additional magazine storage space. These are the floor mats. Behind the center console are the climate vents for the rear passengers, two charging outlets and a power outlet at the bottom. We get the same cloth trim in the rear seats as well, and we can also lift the seats up by pressing the button over here for some additional storage space underneath. Thank you for joining me as we had a quick look at this 2026 GMC Canyon Elevation. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.